plugged in. Yep. You can't hear me, yeah. If you can find it.
This is Torii Gate, and it's written Hakone Jinja, Hakone Shrine. Hakone Shrine.
We have the bow.
Better not risk it. Bowing.
If you don't know what happens, you've got to risk it.
I know, that's it. I even bowed on the big one when we came through on bus.
Yes, I nearly did.
Yeah.
Big deal.
I want all planes to be on time, so I'm bowing and doing everything
Yes,
I
of
can.
course.
You got drop.
Oh,
You drop.
oh.
You drop.
My God. Sorry, thank you so much.
No, she's the way it goes.
Oh. Yes.
This is a treasure house, and this is a display, exhibition of the treasure. And Mangan, this is a priest. He had conquered the nine-headed dragon.
Oh, good boy.
Yes, good boy. This is the imaginary language. Yes. Before you go to the bus, please use the toilet. And this is
Happiness rice cake.
monument. Benzaiten is a guardian of the. Benzaiten is a Shinto, one of the Shinto deities which specialize art and music.
Perfect day to be here. There's a little shrine in there.
Now we are going to the shrine using the steps going up. Okay, everybody will go into the main hall of the Hakone Shrine. And if you still have extra energy and want to go to the Torii gate on the lake, you go down. You go down the end of the street, the steps, you will see the Torii gate on the lake. And everybody will go to the main hall, multiple hall of the Hakone Shrine. Okay, and if you are don't want to go up the top too far, the parking is when you come here, find Dale, ¿cómo vamos? Pues. The main hall of the shrine where you are supposed to worship. At Shinto Shrine, first toss coin, bow twice, clap hands twice, make a wish. After completed, bow. This is what we are supposed to do at Shinto Shrine. So please proceed and make a wish. Of course, making a wish is not mandatory, so it's up to you. Shinto, not Buddha. This is a Shinto is nature worship, so we don't see any image of the deities. Kami are everywhere in the tree.
Is this the main one?
This is the
Biggest?
not the big Shinto.
Biggest?
Not the Shinto is
Japan.
indigenous. main indigenous religion in Japan.
Right.
So many Japanese people are born as a Shintoist.
Right, Shinto.
But we also practice Buddhism.